In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website using Hosting's platform. Let's dive in and explore each step to ensure your website reflects your unique style and vision. To start, head over to the Hostinger website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the website list. Here, you'll want to find the specific website you wish to edit. Click on Edit Website to begin your customizations. Now you're inside the website editor. The first area we'll focus on is the header. This is a crucial part of your website as it often includes your branding elements, like the logo and navigation menu, which are essential for guiding your visitors. Look for the header element and dive into it to start making your changes. Within the header, locate the logo element. Clicking on this element allows you to see the current logo. If you're looking to update it, now is the time to select the logo and make edits. Perhaps you have a fresh design or a more modern version you'd prefer to use. You have two options here. You can either choose from any existing photos you might have uploaded previously, or upload a brand new image from your computer. Once you've selected or uploaded your new logo, click on Select. This choice locks in your selection and updates the visual appearance of your header. With your logo updated, it's time to look at the overall layout of your header. Next, move forward by clicking on Layout. Here, you'll find various options to adjust the spacing of your elements. Think about how you want your website headers to look aesthetically. Do you need more breathing space around the elements? Pay careful attention to element spacing, link spacing, and top and bottom spacing. Tweak these settings until you achieve the balance and aesthetic that best suits your brand. Now, shift your focus to the Elements tab. Clicking here will provide you with options to highlight different components of your header, such as the logo, social icons, and call to action buttons. It's a great way to make important aspects of your header stand out. Afterwards, click on Logo again to fine-tune matters. Here you can resize your logo to perfectly fit within the header, ensuring it's neither too small to see nor too large to overwhelm. The style of your header is also essential. Click on Style to open further settings. Play around with the header color options, whether that means choosing a solid color or opting for a transparent header to provide a sleek, modern look. Finally, once you've completed all these adjustments and you're satisfied with the changes, your website header should look exactly how you imagined. Congratulations, you've reached the final step, success. By following these steps, you've now personalized your website header using the Hostinger website editor. Make sure to save your changes, preview your site, and admire your work. Remember, consistent updates and tweaks will enhance your site's appearance and keep it in line with your evolving brand identity. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!